Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook, error 0X800CCC78. This error usually appears when Outlook can't send mail because something in the account configuration isn't quite right. We'll refresh your account connection first, then repair the Outlook app if needed. Follow along on your screen and take your time. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, look to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the area where you control how Outlook behaves and how your email accounts are set up. In Settings, select Account. This is where Outlook lists the email accounts connected to the app. Choose the email account that's having trouble so we can adjust it. With the account selected, click Manage. Manage opens the detailed settings for this account, including connection and server options. From here, scroll down and choose Remove. Removing the account here disconnects it from Outlook on this device, but it does not delete your email from your provider's server. It's simply clearing out the local profile so we can set it up cleanly again. After the account is removed, sign back in to the same account. Outlook will prompt you to add an account. Follow the sign-in steps and let Outlook finish syncing. Try sending a test email to confirm if the error is gone. Often, this quick resetup resolves misconfigurations that trigger 0X800CCC78. If the problem persists, we'll repair the Outlook app itself. Close Outlook, then open your computer's settings. Go to Installed Apps so you can view all applications on your device. Find Microsoft Outlook in the list. Click the three dots next to it to open more options. Choose Repair first. Repair checks and fixes the app without affecting your data, and it only takes a few moments. If you still see the error afterward, return to the same menu and select Reset. Reset restores Outlook's app data to default, which can clear stubborn issues. If the error remains, use Uninstall to remove Outlook completely. Then install it again from the official store or Microsoft's website to get a fresh, up-to-date copy. After reinstalling, open Outlook and sign into your account once more, allowing time for everything to sync. That's it. By reconnecting your account and, if needed, repairing, resetting, or reinstalling Outlook, you should clear error 0X800CCC78 and get back to sending emails smoothly. Thanks for watching, and take care.